you're on.
Alright guys, we're going to go check out some more of the Venables here in a minute or two. So enjoy and please find a way to donate. Everything here is free to enjoy. Minus obviously the retailers and the food.
Have a good time on the trail.
As well as Fair Enterprises, and with the help of locals that really just, oh wow. Did you guys see a chair filled with a big hill? Like it was nothing? Anyway, find yourself at the Midwest FS tent, 1 for 10, 5 for 40, and I promise you will go home with something fun. If you guys are paying attention, we're about to start handing out some free prizes. So all the time, if you want. Looks like Scott's got some goodies over here. What do you got over here, Scott, from Sam's Club?
Yeah, full high. The only place you might need low is on the rocks for the new tire deal. Okay, look at this. This out all extended.
We've got helping hands, paws and claws. Looks like they've got this fun little toy Jeep Wrangler that the toddlers would love. You can win this via raffle, and guess what? All the proceeds go straight to CASA for Kids of Logan County. I'm over here with the new appearance from Windows 10. Tell me about what you guys offer here in Guthrie.
We're offering it's a Thompson turkey roll.
Ceramic tin. And what was the second part? HP film. High performance film. So if you guys are looking to hide yourself from the sun rays, get your car window tint or your truck. And they do ceramic. Glass repair. You can
What fucker man?
Ducks to keychains. So find yourself the new appearance. Alright.
Take the higher.
Center this tire. Go left, and straighten the work right there. It's tight.
Yep. Oh my gosh. That guy brought that. There was a cow that brought that. Oh, heck yeah. Get out of the way. Yeah. Yep. Yep, same thing. We'll have be here from 11 to 3:30, 4 o'clock. Bring a turkey, we'll get you in the prize for drawings. Yeah, we'll have food trucks here. The $30 entry fee will all go to that Hands and Feet of Jesus. Yes. Two options here. You can take the grass right here, or you can go around. Yeah, just take the grass one. Oh yeah, I did it mine.
You can go either way. Take a right or a left. Sounds good. Yeah, go for it.
Damn, you're about to have some fun. No, I was going to. Melissa wasn't in here, I was jumping in here. Yeah, dude, it's straight down. Not gonna see nothing.
Got that bumper.
Yeah, we're gonna have a bunch of shelves here. Shelves going up and shelves coming down. Old International Scout, that's a good looking. Yep, that one.
So you can get a better vantage point. There's more obstacles in the back. Dirtworks of Oklahoma added 40 to 50% more of an obstacle course around this corner.
This one,
where you can see this.
I would keep your tire just right where his is at. See it?
Anyway, white pickup truck.
Keep on this side of that one. Yep, right there.
So you guys go out on the track, enjoy yourself. It is free. Wake up that odometer number right here in Midwest. That's what my John Vince are.
You don't realize what fuel that is. Yep. This one you're gonna have to swing wide. This is one they were using my Gladiator as a dummy because I had it too tight. You almost want to ride the chalk line and make the turn. Going right. There you go, down, straight up and around. Right or high. There you go. My first time, I was almost right in that tree, so I had to widen it out. So. We got the rock patch up here. All right. Okay, hang left. There you go, perfect. Nice. Yeah. Jeeps and motorhomes.
All I'm seeing are smiles out here on these e-bikes. So make your way over, get set up, get ready for a helmet. Get ready for a road course.